Welcome. This is trailing dog Lola. She is training to be a trailing dog looking for missing people. So here I am giving the scent of the person I want her to follow. So she is trained to follow just one person and follow their scent until she gets to them. So I've given her a scent, what we call a scent article, which is an item of clothing from the person. And we are setting her off. Here she goes. So this trail is about 4.5 hours old, so it's a bit older than normal. So if you noticed from her previous videos, she's going a little bit slower. So obviously the scent has dispersed more, so it's trickier for her than it would be if it was a fresh scent. So you could see her do a little circle there. Junctions are always a bit more tricky, so she circled around until she found the scent and then followed the scent out of the circle. Got a little bit tangled there. Now we have a little call of nature break. And we're off again. So the person goes right when we get to the road here. So I shorten her lead as we get into the busy road. No problem, she instantly goes right. Now cars will blow the scent around as they drive past, and it's quite a busy road. And obviously being 4.5 hours old, the scent has blown around quite a lot. So the missing person kept going down the footpath. Lola chooses to cross the road. I think she's right on the edge of the scent here. Tell by her body language she's still sort of searching for the scent, but does have it as well. But she's working really hard. We have a little car brake here to let some cars go past. And again, that gives her time just to figure it out, and she crosses the road back to where the missing person went. You can see from her body language she's on trail there. Nice straight line, head down, tail down. Takes the right turn where the missing person went. Now this bit's interesting. The missing person crossed over here. Lola starts crossing, and then changes her mind. Again, because it's a busy road, a lot of people walk down it, lots of cars, and it's 4.5 hours old, the scent will be blown all over the place. So actually she's on the wrong side of the road here, but I think that she's still in scent. And here she crosses over the road. Now she's on the correct side of the road where the missing person went. Now I've slowed this part down to normal speed. It's really interesting. So she gets stuck at this door a little bit, and the missing person goes right. See, that's got the blue silver car. There's a footpath down. That's where the missing person went. But Lola here gets stuck going down this footpath, which is towards a playing field. Now it's a main walkway, so there'll be lots of people walk down there during the day. Lots of dog walkers go down there. So I'll be really contaminated with the scent. She's not convinced they've gone down there, but she is interested down that way. So I think it's probably a little bit of scent that's been blown down there. So I take her back to the last position where I knew she had some scent, which was around here. Get her to go again. She's not really on any scent, so we take a little break, give her a little drink, which clears her nose. Give her the article to sniff again. Untangle the lead. There we go, and get her to go again. And again, she wants to go down there, but it's not a convincing. She sort of thinks maybe, maybe not. So what I'll do is this is where the partnership comes in. I get her to check all the other entrances and exits. So we decide to walk around this part in a circle. You can't see her here, but she's off to the left of me, checking all the driveways. Now the missing person went down this footpath, and you can see a definite turn down that footpath. And we're back on the trail. This fits perfect. Look at that body language. Head down, tail down, clearly on the trail. Now we're getting to a road, so I shorten the line up again. Missing person went right at this road. Again, no problems. Now the missing person is sitting on a wall about 50 metres in front of us. And if you watch her body language here, there, the head pops up. She's now air scenting, so she got a scent in the air, the missing person. Body language is crazy and goes right to our missing person. And as a reward, she gets her favourite food.